Hi, Payton. I just noticed that your cause effect and analysis essay has 68% AI detection, which means that I can't grade it, which means that you're not going to pass unless you rewrite this. I'm going to show you what I see. So this is the originality report where you go to look for, just to make sure you haven't plagiarized, but it also has an AI detector, which students don't see, which I think is kind of a problem. I think they should let you see it too. But anyway, this is what I see. Most of your, at least the first part, and then a lot of your essay is flagged. So, I'm supposed to turn in a report when this happens to the college. We don't have that much time to deal with it and get it all taken care of. I turn in grades Tuesday, so I need this all kind of taken care of by Monday. And I'm happy to Zoom with you if you want to strategize about how best to get this done.